It is the best week of the year. Shark Week! Woo woo! Welcome back to Handmade, and today we have an epic cooler upgrade for you. We are going to celebrate our terrifying friends of the ocean by taking a regular cooler and turning it into a shark-inspired cooler. Let's get started. I found this awesome 16-quart cooler online that worked perfect for this project and held just the right amount of drinks. Cover the parts that you don't want painted so it will avoid overspray. Once everything's taped up, we're going to move on to the dorsal fin. We're going to use a 12 by 12 sheet of foam. Just freehand the fin shape and then cut it out. Then clean up your rough edges. Hot glue your dorsal fin to the top of your cooler. Use an all-in-one paint and primer spray paint that is specific for plastic. You need to let this sit for a full 24 hours to bond. Cut your pool noodles to size using your cooler as a template, and then cut angles in the ends so they fit more securely. And then just cut a second set. Use a long bungee cord to connect your noodles together. Cut off one hook and thread it through the noodles, tying off on the hook on the other side. Loop the zip ties to hold the two noodles together. Repeat this process to connect the square to the handle of the cooler. Now you're all done. And we're finished. This thing turned out so great and awesome, and it's gonna float and hold all my cold ones, so it's perfect. Tell us how you're gonna celebrate Shark Week in the comments below. Give us a big like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.